So when y'all in my comment section talking about Jen J does not have 4C hair, I want us to remember this moment right here, okay? I want y'all to remember my hair right now. If this is not 4C hair, I don't know what is. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl. It's a girl, Ginger, of course. Welcome back. Today's video, we have a lot to do. We have a lot to take care of when it comes to our hair. I am not gonna lie, I've been ignoring my hair for the past, you know what, all of December and all of January. It's only January 7th right now. I have not been taking care of my hair. I have to be the first one to say it. Listen, I probably washed my hair twice last month. First of all, I have not been consistent. Oh, I don't like this angle. Okay, that's better. I have not been consistent with my hair care routine. My hair is dry. I haven't even been wearing a bonnet when I go to sleep. Oh girl, I have fallen off. So today is the day where I'm going to get myself back on track. I plan on deeply washing my hair, conditioning it, and I actually want to put my hair in some twists. I don't want to do a wash and go because clearly I don't have time for my hair. I don't have time to take care of my hair, especially last month when I did Vlogmas. It was not a good time for me to have my hair out. I'm just like you. Sometimes I don't want to have to deal with my hair, and I don't. Because I know the pattern that I've been in for the past couple of weeks, I am just going to put my hair in some twists and live it in the twist. I just feel like it's a low maintenance, low-key style that I can put my hair in, and that is not going to dry out. At least shouldn't dry out really quickly. At least that's what I'm hoping. But I know the importance of, you know, washing your hair weekly if you don't want your hair to be dry. Honestly, that is the recipe. That is the secret sauce. Wash your hair weekly. Whether you're using oils, raw oils or not, as long as you're washing your hair consistently and on a weekly basis, you should retain some moisture. Because clearly my hair, yeah, my hair has seen better days. And on top of that, my scalp is on fire. You know I have to keep it real with y'all. A couple of months ago I said that my scalp was no longer flaky because, you know, I stopped using oils and I was very consistent with my routine. Well, fast forward to now, the way that my scalp is on fire, I already know it's flaky, but we're gonna check that in a moment. So you know what, let's just get this video started. Before we get started though, girl, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below, okay? I see you. And follow me on Instagram. I haven't been posting regularly on Instagram because, girl, I don't know what's going on over there, but follow me on Instagram if you want to. Because it's been a while since I did my hair, I am going through the whole 9 yards when it comes to my routine. We are going to do a treatment, shampoo, condition. We're also gonna use a leave-in conditioner and a cream, but most importantly, I want to give myself a trim. I haven't trimmed my hair since August and we're in January, so I am way overdue for a trim. I am planning on seeing a stylist next month, so I wanted to kind of like wait it out. But that's the thing with trimming your hair. You want to be consistent with it, and if you are putting it off, then it's going to be harder for you to deal with your hair, and I don't like that. I don't like that. I don't like having to fight tangles in the shower because I didn't trim my hair. I'm not attached to my hair like that, so I'm going to give myself at least a nice light trim, and then next month when I see the stylist, she can really take off what needs to be taken off, okay? Let me show you my scalp, girl. I've talked long enough. Oh, it is so itchy. And my hair is so, oh my God, it's so dry. It's so matted. I have knots everywhere. Look at that. I'm already struggling. Oh, this is gonna be a nightmare. And you know what's worse? I actually don't have a lot of time. Oh my God. Oh. Ooh. I don't think you can see what's happening, girl. Let me show you. I am only human. Okay, remember that. I have bad days just like you. I don't take care of my hair just like you. I can't even part my hair. Maybe it's not a good idea to hop in the shower. And oh no. I have so many knots. I have so many knots. Oh, Jennifer, what have you done? I highly would not recommend you not take care of your hair. Don't do that. I really can't even part my hair. What's going on here? So this is my scalp. What we got? Oh yeah. My scalp is definitely flaky. I don't know if you can see the small flakes. It's crazy because I actually thought that my scalp would be looking a lot worse given how, whew, when I tell you my scalp is on fire, y'all, I'm not joking. I think you can see it. Very small flakes, which is letting me know that it's dry scalp. My hair and my scalp is just extremely dry, so that is to be expected. I really feel like I haven't been taking care of my hair at all, but it's almost a good thing because this is how I rationalize it to myself, okay? Because this is a new method, it's a new journey that I'm on. I am putting it to the test. I'm pushing it to its limits to see what happens when you don't take care of your hair for a couple of weeks at a time, maybe a month. We see what happens. And it's not pretty. My hair is very much matted. Typically, I would pre-poo before I even handle my hair when it's in that state. But like I said, I don't have a lot of time. Probably not the best idea to do my hair today, but it's just been so long and I keep putting it off because I never have enough time. So I'm just gonna make it do what it do. So here we are with our dry, dirty hair, and finally we're about to take care of it. Before I do anything though, since I was traumatized the day before, I am actually going to pre-poo. And honestly, you don't have to do a lot when pre-pooing. Of course, you can pre-poo with an oil if you want to, but I'm not. I'm just going to put a little bit of conditioner in water, shake it up, spray it all over my hair, work it in, and you're gonna see a difference already. Look at that, my hair is a lot more manageable. She has some movement. You can tell she absorbed the water. Whew, at this point, it looks like I can do this. Now that I got some confidence, I'm going to gently separate my hair into, you know, manageable, workable sections. I got these clips off Amazon, but they're not my favorite. They're not smooth on the inside, so sometimes they snag at my hair. I don't like them, so I'm not gonna link them. I'm in the market for some clips, so if you could recommend some, I would highly appreciate it. I am going to actually go in with my fingers first and gently finger detangle my hair. I mean, y'all saw the nightmare that I'm dealing with from the day before, so I really need to be careful. Plus, my hair has been feeling really interesting as of lately. I don't know. So it's been almost 6 months since I colored my hair, and I definitely am starting to feel a difference in the structure of my hair, how it feels. When I'm handling my hair like that and finger detangling it, it really does feel different. Basically, what I'm realizing is when my hair is wet, it feels a lot different with the color. And also, because my natural hair, my virgin hair, is growing at the bottom, I'm comparing the two textures and I can tell that they're different. The part with the color definitely feels a little thinner in a sense and also feels weak. So that's what I'm noticing so far. My hair is probably gonna fall out soon. And to be fair, I'm already mentally prepared to cut my hair. However, I am still deciding if I want to continue with the color first and get that out of my system entirely, you know? Do different colors and then eventually cut my hair and then probably even play with colors while my hair is short. I think that would be such a vibe. Oh my God, girl. I can see it. A colored tapered cut. Wow, you can't tell me nothing right now. So I think I may just have fun with my hair for a while and then eventually cut it and be on a healthy hair journey again. Honestly, when it comes to chemical treatments, you just have to be careful. It's a risk that you're taking. Color is chemicals, and you guys warned me. However, I wanted to color my hair, and that's why I did it. In any case, back to this video. Yes, as I'm doing this, my scalp is still on fire. Finally done going through my hair and thoroughly detangling it, and you can see the state of my ends. Clearly, I need a trim. That's how you know when your end starts looking a little raggedy, they're uneven. It's hard for you to get through your hair, especially when you're detangling it. It's getting matted and tangled in the shower. Girl, those are all signs that you need to trim your hair, and I'm just going to go ahead and do it. I'm not concerned about making my hair even or anything. I did not take too much off, as you can see, but it needed to go. By the way, showing you my shedding. Lots of shedding, but that's to be expected. I think it was almost a month since I washed my hair, and it is what it is. Staying on top of your routine is very important, but you know, sometimes you're busy. Shit happens, and it's gonna be okay, girl. So because my hair has been feeling really weak, I thought I wanted to do an OLAPLEX treatment. But then I read the label. I actually never used it before, but when I read the back of the labeling, it said that I had to put it in my hair before I shampooed, and I was like, I don't really know if I want to put it in my hair, get out of the shower, get back in the shower. Basically, I got lazy instantly and decided to skip doing OLAPLEX altogether. Because it's been a while since I washed my hair, it's very important to take the time to thoroughly wet your hair, saturate your hair with water before you go in with your shampoo. Sometimes it's really not about what we're doing, but how we're doing it. And some of these methods are really important when it comes to caring for your natural hair. Taking the time to saturate your hair with water, being consistent with your routine, keeping up with your trims. Handle your natural hair with care, not ripping through your hair with your brush or your comb. Taking care of your edges, not sleeking them down all the time. So those are the type of things that I feel like we don't talk about often. And really, that's what makes a difference when it comes to your natural hair. Anyways, we're getting sidetracked once again. As you can see, I'm taking the time to really shampoo my hair. I did 2 shampoos because my scalp absolutely needed it. My scalp hated me right now, and I was happy to wash my hair as well. It's been too long. And you know when you feel like your scalp is just dirty? That was me. My scalp was itchy, flaky, hot, and bothered. So I took the time that I needed to thoroughly shampoo my scalp. And you can see I'm getting my fingers in there and really going in and washing my hair properly. Once I'm satisfied with that, I'm going to rinse the shampoo off. And you can see my hair just looks a little stringy. You know what I mean? You know? So instead of doing the OLAPLEX treatment, I'm doing a protein treatment and using Affinity, their 2-step treatment. To be honest, this treatment is the only one that I've been using since I've had my hair colored, so I don't have a lot of experience when it comes to protein treatment. But since I'm told to keep up with protein since I'm colored, I do it once in a while. I definitely should be using protein a lot more often, but I don't. And I mean, I'm not even taking care of my hair entirely, so I'm using the first step all over my hair and then putting on a plastic cap, letting it sit for about 10 minutes as I shower and do my thing. Once that's done, I'm going to rinse it out and use the second step. And the second step feels amazing on your hair. I really love how soft it makes my hair feel. And what I'm realizing though, it's hard to explain how a product feels on someone's hair. The way that my hair feels may not be how you would describe it. I've always struggled with explaining how a product feels in my hair. It feels nice. It feels soft. It makes it feel nice. Like, what does that even mean? Anyways, I can tell you that the second step makes my hair feels very soft. All right, well, once we rinse that off, here I am outside of the shower. I'm going to part my hair and do a combination of twist and flat twist just to give my hair a nice little break and also keep my hair protected throughout the week. As I'm doing this, I figured it was the perfect opportunity to also do a face mask, you know, take care of my skin as well as my hair, right? Kill 2 birds with 1 stone. So I'm gonna look like a character from a scary movie for a little bit, but we're all grown, you can handle it, right? Doing flat twist is great for this because it goes a little faster for me, but if you're not good with flat twisting, then do regular twist. It's all good. This is what my hair looked like once I was done, and this is me the next day. Hi guys, so it's the next day and I just wanted to show you my hair. I actually tossed on this, what is this called? This head wrap. I kind of like my look today. In any case, I am just going to let my hair chill like this for the week, but I'll show you what my hair actually looks like because my camera died last night. I just did a combination of flat twist and regular twist, and that's it. I'm just gonna let my hair be. So no, it's not a style per se today, but where am I going? The only time I go out is to get groceries if needed because Costco got my back with the deliveries back to back to back. So this is a very chill, leave your hair alone hairstyle, and I am going to leave my hair alone for a week. I'm not going to actually stretch this though. So my plan is to wash my hair next week. I really want to get back into consistently washing my hair because I feel it. My hair is feeling I don't like how she's feeling. She's not feeling the greatest. It was way too dry last week and I definitely shouldn't have left my hair alone for that long. My hair was very matted. I don't like that feeling. When you don't consistently take care of your hair, I just feel like it becomes harder for you to take care of it because she's so dry, because you've ignored her for so long. And I'm speaking to myself when I say you, I mean me. It makes the whole process harder and I don't enjoy dealing with my hair when it's like that. So I want to get back into consistent washing. Although part of me also kind of feel like I want to just get my hair braided. I'm a little conflicted. Anywho, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Question of the day. What is going on with your hair right now? Oh, leave a comment below and be honest, okay? You saw what my hair looked like. It was pretty bad. So leave a comment down below and let me know what your hair is going through right now. And personally, I haven't been really in the mood to like do wash and goes. I don't know, it's freezing out here, you guys. Honestly, this is exactly why I did protective styles in the winter, because I never wanted to deal with my hair when it's so cold outside. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.